guys, it's Jenny here. So today we're doing something a little bit different. I have decided to do a little miniature box theatre. Now I don't know if anyone's heard of that before, so what it is, it's a little tiny tin with a little miniature scene in it. My mother is really into miniatures and she's been making miniatures for about 20 or 30 years, so she's trying to get me into it. I have made a couple of things before, if you've seen my witches' houses, so I've got a little bit of experience, but not a lot really. I'll pop the links below to the witches' shelves just so you can see what I'm talking about, but for now, today I'm going to be unboxing this little thing and showing everyone what's in there, and then in the next couple of posts I will be making this little thing up. Now I actually bought two. I didn't mean to. What happened was a couple of weeks ago I had a couple of drinks and hopped online and bought a whole lot of stuff and then promptly forgot that I did it, so I've now got two of everything I bought that night. So I've got two of these. So after I've made it put together, what I'm going to do is be giving a set away. So if you would be interested in something like that, just let me know, so I know that when we do the giveaway it will be well received. Anyway, let's get to this. So what I've got here is, it's called little box theatres. This one is Countryside Notes. I don't know if you can really see. We'll see if we can zoom in here and get a little picture of what's, can you see that? Oops, there we go. So that's what is in this little tin. Okay, I will actually find some photos and put them on at the end of this post as well, just so you know in detail what's going on. So let's open it up and have a look. I haven't opened them. I got really excited and ripped them out of the bags, but I haven't opened them to really have a good look at what's in them yet. So we're going to be doing this together. Alright. Okay, so let's get going. Alright, so well, here we go. Alright, so we have the little box. So this is what everything is going to be made in, and so it'll all be contained in there, so it's not going to be a big bulky thing to have around. It's quite a cute little box, cute little pictures. So welcome to Harry and Bella's Dream Theatre. Alrighty, cute. We'll put that aside. Right, what next? Okay, so we have all these little bits and bobs. Alrighty, what's this? So, Countryside Notes. So this is the instruction booklet. Oh good, it's in English. My mum got one of these and all the instructions were in Chinese, so she just had to go by the pictures. Because she's done this type of thing before, it wasn't too bad. She sort of knew what to do. Okay, so this is all the instruction booklet. What I will do is I will give that a really good read through before we start. Oh, I see. This is all the bits that go in the lid and all that kind of stuff. So you chop them out and stick them all in there. Okay, what else? So that's the back. Awesome, cool. Okay, so that's that. That will obviously come in very handy. What is this? What is this? Okay, this is in Chinese, so I have no idea what this even is. I'm assuming it's a little stand, maybe? Looks like a bunny. So I'm assuming that it's a stand. Does that? I don't know how that works just yet. I'll ask my mum and see if she knows anything about that one. Anyway, so it's a cute little bunny stand. So now let's look and see what is in here. Okay. Oh, it must be the grass. Let's get this out and have a look. So we've got some corrugated brown paper. I'm sure we'll find out what that's for later on. Be for certain parts. That must be for the grass and stuff. These bits. Now I know what they're for. They go underneath and they can seal like that. Like that. And because there's actually a bit in there that you can try and make the house light up, so I know that's probably what they are for. What's this? That's some of the electrical bits. There's a couple of little bunnies. Some more paper, and there's some little bits and pieces in here. Little flowers. And some little lace. I'm assuming that's for maybe for like curtains and stuff. That's quite cute. More bits. What's the dog doing? So that's more bits for the electrical. I don't know if I'm going to bother with the electrical bits just yet. What's in here? So this is obviously the little house. Some little stairs and stuff. And here will be the furniture. Oh, it's quite cute. And we've got more greenery and stuff. Sorry, excuse me. Dog, get out of here. Go. Alrighty. So, some little greenery, little trees, little bits of gravel, and all that is going to make up this thing here. Okay, let's see so you can see it. Might give you a bit of... Okay, so that's the unboxing of that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go and read all the instructions. I'm going to give my mother a call and see what she says, if she's got any tips and tricks for me, advice or anything like that. And then we were going to go and dive in and give this a go. Alrighty, we'll see you next time. Bye.